What makes a startup viable? What are the key ingredients that encompass a viable, successful startup venture? To answer this question, the Wadhwani Venture Fastrack team spoke to investors, venture capitalists, mentors, seed funds, as well as startups who have gone on to become successful ventures. The end result of these in-depth conversations is the Wadhwani Venture Fastrack 12 Critical Success Elements framework. Each element on this framework covers aspects of building a venture that is critical in the journey of any founding team working on fulfilling a pertinent need. Let's explore these 12 elements briefly. The roadmap element encourages you to outline specific tasks, milestones, and skills that are needed to begin, build, sustain, and achieve success. The team element focuses on building a well-balanced team with at least a hustler, hacker, and visionary, with skills, strengths, and weaknesses of each member understood, positioned, and complementary to one another. It also makes you think about the culture of your startup and the execution capacity of your team to lead this challenging adventure from startup to exit. While the problem, pain, or desire element focuses on deeply understanding the customer's need in a qualitative and quantitative way, the lovable solution focuses on building a product or solution that not just works but has a clear, unique value that solves the problem in a way that is more satisfying than anything else in the market. The most successful startups are able to create products that customers love to use, are happy to pay for, and evangelize to their peers. To get there, great startups focus on creating an excellent customer experience. Similarly, developing a product at the right time and in the right form to the biggest possible market is an art. The market opportunity element makes you think about just that. Strong companies begin with strong unit economics. This element dives into cost drivers per unit of your product or service, while the business model element covers all the economics of the business from startup to scale, detailing financial plans, projections, and funding requirements evolving over time. The go-to-market strategy element focuses on how to most efficiently and rapidly get your product to market. It includes understanding clear target customers and most effective ways to achieve cost-effective market penetration. Achieving traction and scale, whether regionally or globally, are critical for any great business, and this element enables systems thinking to help you design and achieve scale. Closely connected to this element is competition and the sustainable differentiation of your venture that will make you stand apart competitively over time. Finally, an often neglected area is building sustainable systems that will allow your business to run without you being actively engaged in operations. Systems that need to be standardized, optimized, and automated as much as possible. The final element of the framework throws light on putting together and implementing a plan for equity return and funding right from the start and executing it as you build your venture. The Venture Fastrack Discovery Kit is based on these 12 critical success elements. As you use this kit, it will give you an insight on where your startup stands with respect to each of these 12 elements. Combined with the financial health of your startup, the discovery process will provide your startup with a final discovery report that suggests the best course of action needed to build a successful and financially viable business that can scale.